presentation of the medals.
62 kilograms. Please welcome the medalists. The medals will be presented by Antonio Aquino, United World Wrestling Bureau member and president of the Oceanian Council, and Betam Renezi, European Council member. Bronze medalist, representing Norway, Grace Bullen. Bronze medalist, representing Ukraine, Irina Kolyadenko. Silver medalist, representing Japan, Sakura Motoki. Gold medalist and world champion in women's freestyle 62 kilograms from Kyrgyzstan, Aysulu, Jenny Bekova. Ladies and gentlemen, please rise for the national anthem of Kyrgyzstan. The 2023 World Championship medalists in women's freestyle at 62 kilograms.
The medal stand at 62 kilos, and it is Aysulu Tanabekoba, Kyrgyzstan, able to get back to the top. She has won her 4th world medal, and for the 3rd time, she is a world champion. And a matchup against the great Japanese wrestler, Sakura Motoki. Trailing, entering into the 2nd period, Tanabekoba was able to get some points late. She had lost twice to 2 different Japanese wrestlers in the biggest matches over the last couple of years, obviously starting with the Olympic gold medal match in Tokyo, and then last year at the World Championships she came up just short. But tonight was her night to be carried off the stage. Kyrgyzstan back on top of the world at 62 kilos.